Breaking news for all MDCAT aspirants. The exam you were anxiously waiting for, originally scheduled on the 5th of October, has now officially been postponed. Yes, you heard it right. Due to the devastating flood situation across Pakistan, the new date is set, the 26th of October. Now pause for a moment and think, what does this mean for you? More time, more opportunity, and one more chance to turn your weaknesses into strengths. Imagine this, the extra 21 days you've just been gifted could be the difference between an average attempt and an outstanding score, but only if you use them wisely. So here's the big question: will you let these days slip away like sand through your fingers, or will you grab this golden chance to fix the gaps in your preparation? Remember that chapter you left halfway? The formula you always skip? The topic you always say, "I'll do it later"? Well, this is your later. This is the moment to settle those unfinished battles with your syllabus. Don't underestimate these 21 days. Think of them as 21 power-packed chances to revise, to test yourself, to practice past papers, and to outshine thousands of other candidates. Because let's be honest, most students will relax thinking, oh, there's more time. But the ones who rise, who discipline themselves right now, they're the ones who'll sit in the exam hall on the 26th of October with confidence blazing in their eyes. So here's my challenge to you: rebuild your study plan today. No excuses, no delays. Take this postponement not as a break, but as a breakthrough. The clock is ticking, and every single minute from now till the 26th of October is a chance to rewrite your destiny. Are you ready to grab it?